Tired of massive PDF files clogging up your inbox? Today, I'll show you the easiest way to share any PDF as a simple, clickable link, making sharing documents a breeze. First, let's head over to Google Drive. If you have a Google account, you already have access. Click on the New button, located in the upper left corner. From the drop-down menu, select File, Upload. This will open your computer's File Explorer. Navigate to the PDF file you want to share, and select it. Click Open. You'll see the file uploading in the bottom right corner. Once the upload is complete, locate the PDF file in your Google Drive. Right-click on the file. A menu will appear. Select Share. A new window will pop up here. You'll see the option to directly share with specific people by entering their email addresses. But for a shareable link, look for the General Access section. Click on the drop-down menu, which likely says Restricted. Change this to Anyone with the link. This means anyone who has the link can view the PDF. You can also control what people can do with the document. Click the drop-down menu next to Viewer. You can choose Viewer if you only want them to see the PDF, Commenter if you want them to be able to add comments, or Editor if you want them to be able to make changes. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Finally, click the Copy Link button. The link is now copied to your clipboard. You can now paste this link into an email, a text message, or anywhere else you want to share your PDF, and that's it. Super simple and much easier than sending large attachments. Now you can start sharing PDFs like a pro.